The name Belzona has been synonymous with state-of-the-art polymer repair products and know-how since 1952. In fact, Belzona pioneered the industry. Our modern facilities in Miami represent the world headquarters for marketing, training, and distribution, while our Harrogate facilities are responsible for manufacturing, ongoing research, and development and quality assurance. With over 40 years of experience, Belzona today can confidently offer its customers polymer repair solutions proven all over the world. Ongoing research and development into new products and application techniques have kept Belzona at the leading edge of our industry. Our technical know-how laboratories allow us to respond with prompt answers to your inquiries regarding material selection and application technique. Technology is the key to Belzona's ongoing commitment to maintenance engineering, backed by highly trained experts in the repair, renovation, and reclamation of machinery and equipment. In 1979, Belzona was used on this 40-foot shaft from the cooling system of a nuclear power plant and prevented a forced outage. In a matter of hours, a local machine shop working with Belzona engineers rebuilt the worn shaft, saving tens of millions of dollars in outage costs. Today, Belzona has engineering procedures covering any potential application based on years of experience. For example, with this aerator shaft in a wastewater treatment plant, the Belzona technical consultant recommended our forming procedure, which avoided complete disassembly and machining. The repaired shaft operates under continuous heavy load. Removal of the shaft from the center of the tank for conventional repairs would have required a crane and related downtime costs totaling over $30,000. In 1982, the components of this 2-year-old submersible pump at an Australian power plant were severely damaged by erosion corrosion. They were completely repaired and protected with Belzona. The Belzona is still in operation today. Belzona was the only product suitable to extend the life of this $1.5 million unit. Today, the latest generation of Belzona coatings offer efficiency enhancement as well as resistance to erosion, corrosion, and cavitation. These latest 100% solids materials can be applied using a heated pleural spray unit and static mixer setup, but are also suitable for conventional application techniques. Belzona has been used to repair and protect centrifugal pumps at this power station. Based on the outstanding performance of the first unit coated, combined with the ease of use of the Belzona, the second unit was completely refurbished under the guidance of the factory-trained technical consultant. Based on Belzona's history of success in our most recent research and development innovations, major pump companies around the world now offer or specify Belzona for efficiency enhancement and erosion corrosion protection on new pumps. Bimetallic corrosion, coupled with erosion, can be particularly severe on heat exchangers. Belzona solves both these problems, as seen on this condenser water box from a power station in Dubai. Recent developments have allowed Belzona's abrasion-resistant systems to expand beyond repairing and protecting conveyor belts to augers, chutes, hoppers, and other solids handling machinery. Imagine the abrasion from sand and salt water on the lift and propulsion fans of this Navy hovercraft. During maintenance overhauls at regional repair and refit facilities, Belzona is applied to protect against further abrasion following Navy guidelines and Belzona procedures. Abrasion and chemical attack from magnetite in this 48-inch pump handling coal slurry required a high dielectric abrasion-resistant specialty rebuilding and coating grade of Belzona. The coal mine runs 24 hours a day and could not wait for a replacement at $65,000 per hour downtime. Belzona coating systems have been protecting oil-gas separation vessels on offshore oil production platforms in the North Sea since 1988. The vessels operate in an aggressive mixture of oil, water, and sour gas at temperatures up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit and are subject to severe abrasion from entrained sand. Independent testing and subsequent field trials proved Belzona was the only system that could provide long-term protection in this environment. Belzona concrete repairs have continually been used for heavy-duty repairs to concrete where performance and speed of application are a top priority. For example, on this runway for heavy transport planes and fighter jets, Belzona has resisted impact and abrasion from the steel arrestor cables for over 3 years. Conventional repair by replacing asphalt was lasting less than 12 months and costing over 30 times more than with Belzona know-how. Header joints on bridges experience severe impact. This header joint on a highway in Florida was rebuilt with Belzona, actually replacing the steel armor joint which had completely failed. The Belzona was installed overnight and ready for traffic in the morning. It is still perfect after 4 years. Sealing expansion joints with Belzona ensures that even under the toughest conditions, water and chemicals will not leak down to lower levels or contaminate the ground below. When concrete is damaged or spalled on an overhead or vertical surface, as on this support column for electrical switchgear equipment, a lightweight Belzona concrete repair system allows a permanent repair to be made without the use of formwork, saving days of labor and downtime. Today's environmental concerns make concrete and chemical containment areas the #1 priority. In response to requests from our customers, Belzona chemists have developed a range of chemically resistant rebuilding and resurfacing systems which can reclaim existing structures and protect from further attack. Belzona's chemists respond to hundreds of inquiries every week regarding different chemicals, temperatures, and concentrations. If slipping is a concern, Belzona has developed a range of safety grip systems that are equally suitable for industrial applications, such as on these rollers transporting logs, or in wet, hazardous pedestrian areas. This application, where customer safety is vital, has been in constant service for 15 years. Belzona's technology has also been applied to waterproofing and weatherproofing. Our materials are constantly tested for flexibility, elasticity, UV resistance, and adhesion. Accelerated weathering tests ensure the system specified for your particular problem will stand up to long-term exposure. Critical problem areas on roofs of all sizes, shapes, and complexity have been successfully protected with Belzona for over 30 years. Belzona's waterproofing and weatherproofing systems were designed to solve water entry problems where they are most often found, at joints and seams, flashings, gutters, parapets, and skylight glazing bars. When water penetrates and becomes trapped within insulation, underlagging corrosion can occur. With carbon steel, the result is rust. On stainless steel, stress corrosion cracking can occur. Belzona's waterproofing systems for insulation protects against weather and mechanical damage, yet allows moisture inside to evaporate out, keeping the insulation dry and protecting the metal below. For negative pressure waterproofing of concrete pipes, tanks, and below-ground structures, Belzona has systems designed to stop both seeping and active water leaks through concrete, as seen in this demonstration. Belzona's commitment to customers to provide the very best quality products has led Belzona to obtain many approvals, including the ISO 9002 International Quality Certification, National Sanitation Foundation Drinking Water Approval, American Bureau of Shipping Type Approval, and nuclear approval through DBA testing. Additionally, Belzona's 40 years of know-how has resulted in industry worldwide giving Belzona the stamp of approval based on thousands of successful Belzona applications. For simply the best solutions to your maintenance problems, the Belzona consultant is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in the world.